Hello, everyone, and welcome to the finale of the Polkadot Scalability Hackathon. It's been a long time coming, and I'm super excited to see all of you here so that we get the chance today to see our top 10 teams pitch, and we get to find out the winners for all of the tracks in the hackathon. So super exciting. Today, we want the ultimate hype machine in chat. We have GIFs on, we have reactions on. So please, throughout the event today, put some love in the chat for the teams who are pitching, and best of luck to our finalists. Those of you in the audience who did not make it as finalists, thank you for joining us today. I hope seeing the top teams pitch will be inspiring to you. And next time round, maybe it will be you, and maybe next time you'll be winning something as well. But just because you're not a finalist, it does not mean you haven't won something, because we have more than just the main track prizes here today. So stick around till the end, because all winners will be announced in this session. Right, so I want to get started straight away because I absolutely cannot wait to see our finalists pitch. First off, I want to give a very quick introduction to myself and Encode Club. We are a global community of developers, professionals, students in emerging tech. We run educational events to help you learn, build, and accelerate your careers. And we've been running Polkadot programs for many years now. I think this is our 5th hackathon in nearly as many years in the Polkadot ecosystem. So it's super exciting, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. But for now, let's have a look at what was built during the Scalability Hackathon, which has been happening over the last month and a half. The judging period has taken some time, but that is because the final decision for our top 10 teams was difficult to come across. So announcing our finalists here. We can't wait to see them. I know a lot of them are in chat. We see Jade, who will be presenting third, in chat already. Please, as I say, I'd love to see some interaction in chat, cheer the finalists on, and wish them luck. So we will get started straight away. First of all, we're going to have the Safe Stakes team. So I'm going to invite Gustav up to the stage, and as he is joining me, I will explain a bit about what we're going to see today. We have our top 10 teams pitching, and they each have 3 minutes to show us what they built during the Scalability Hackathon. And we have live judging going on behind the scenes as we confirm our top winners for our 3 main tracks in the Scalability Hackathon. So that is the Polkadot main tracks. So best of luck for everyone who's pitching. To those who didn't make it, I hope that the pitches inspire you, and I can't wait to see how this event unfolds. Gustav, if you're joining me, I see you're getting ready, which is great. We're excited to see you. If you are a finalist, please put a message in chat so I know you're here. There's a lot of people in this room, and it might be difficult to find you. So if it's coming up to your turn, make sure to wave in chat so that I can see you and invite you up quickly and easily. Gustav should be joining me now. Did the invite not work? A note to finalists, as always happens, if anything goes wrong, we might be skipping ahead, so be ready to come and pitch whenever. I see we have the Nemo team here, we have the Web3 Lancer team, Orbit Yield, Whistle, another team member from Orbit Yield, Medibird, everyone's in chat. Gustav, thank you for joining us. I'm going to minimize my screen. Do you want to share your screen and we can get started on the Safe Stakes pitch? You are muted at the moment, by the way, just in case. Okay.
Hello, am I audible, Rebecca?
Yes, you are.
Yes. Hello, everyone. I'm Kaustubh, and I'm here to present Safe Stakes. Let's start. I'll share the screen.
Oh, we can see your screen.
Is the screen visible?
Yes, looking good.
Hi everyone, I'm Kaustubh here to present SafeStakes. I'm excited to introduce SafeStakes, a blockchain-powered accountability platform designed for personal, team, and professional success. Whether you are trying to build a habit, coordinate a team project, or lock in a service contract, SafeStakes ensures that when people commit, they actually follow through. The accountability challenge. We've all made commitments. We have all broken some. 92% of the New Year's resolutions failed by February. 70% of the team projects his deadline. Motivation drops by 40% after the initial hype fades. Why? Because most goals lack real consequences, public accountability, and progress transparency. All of which, all of which are essential for follow through. That's the problem SafeStrix is here to solve. The SafeStrix solution and use cases. SafeStrix is a blockchain-based platform that makes commitments real. User defines a goal, stake dot tokens, and verify outcomes using decentralized methods. If the goal is completed, the stake is returned. If not, there are real consequences. It works across use cases like personal goal setting, team challenges, and professional agreements where tokenized contracts ensures both sides hold up to their end. It's accountability powered by code, not just good intentions. We focus on three types of commitments: personal goals, like running a marathon, learning a skill, or finishing project; team challenges, where groups works towards a common goal with shared stakes; professional contracts, where project milestones or deliverables are tied to stake tokens and automated payout conditions. All commitments are enforced by smart contracts and verified by either peer consensus or objective proof. No middleman needed. How it works, you say? Create a commitment, set a clear goal, deadline, and how it will be verified. Stake tokens. Everyone puts in dot, creating skin in the game. Track progress with milestone updates and transparency for all. Verify and complete. Once verified, the tokens are released. If the goals aren't met, the stake is forfeited or redirected. This process makes quitting hard and finishing rewarding. SafeSticks is built on Polkadot using cross-chain compatibility via XM protocol, support all the parachain tokens, secure multi-signature verification, and scalable architecture to handle thousands of commitments. You can get started under 2 minutes. Connect your wallet, create your first commitment, invite others, and stake as little as zero point 0.1 dot to begin. To wrap it up, I would like to say that safe stakes isn't just about making promises. It's about keeping them. We are turning good intentions into smart commitments with real stakes, real transparency, and real results. So the next time someone says, "Yeah, I'll get it done," you can smile and say, "Cool, safe stakes it." Thank you. And if you got goals, we've got the tech to make sure you crush them. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Gustav, for coming and presenting. I'm going to send you backstage again now, and we have our next talk, which is from Ashwak from the Medibird team. So you should be getting an invite. Please let me know if it's not working. I see you're getting ready to join me, which is amazing. Just to confirm for the finalists, it is 3-minute pitches as we practiced before. So hopefully everything is smooth. Ashwat should be joining me on stage now. Hello.
Hi.
Thank you
How
for
are you?
joining us.
Can I start?
Yes, please share your screen and we can get started.
Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Ashwak, and I'm excited to present our project Medibird. Medibird is a decentralized health and platform that uses AI, blockchain, and ZK proofs to make healthcare secure, private, and patient-centric. So, why Medibird? So in the former healthcare platforms, we have global challenges. We face a healthcare system that is overburdened with staff shortages like doctor shortage, nurses, and we have a slowed down delays of services and delayed access to the services and has broken down by fragmented healthline data to various health lines. And through we have a various privacy concern also as the data breaches has been increasing rapidly. So how we solve these global challenges is that we use AI plus blockchain for to develop a decentralized network, and the Medibird uses Polkadot for a blockchain identity, where we will provide the blockchain identity for both doctors and the users. Um, and we use AI-powered consultations using Gemini AI and OpenAI for smart contest hour drainage. And with ZK proofs, we share the necessary data, and the user can control the data that is being shared by the doctors and with the health providers. And with encrypted infrastructure, all medical data are secure. So, what are the features that Medibot offers? Is that let me tell you about the core features. We use blockchain ID with the help of the Polkadot back identity with full user control. And with medical records, we use immutable encrypted storage with hyper-compiled audit logs and AI consultations using Google Gemini trained for instant health advisors. And with, oh, sorry, with ZK proofs, we can share the contents between the health rate providers and the users. And here we can see our dashboard where we can see the entire health history securely and initiate AI consultations, connect with doctors, check for the upcoming appointments and the data access requests. What are the other advanced capabilities that Medibird incorporates is that we have a real-time messaging chat with using WebSocket, and our platform is end-to-end encrypted with AES 256-bit encryption, and it also uses TLC 1.3. Our architecture is divided into microservices where each services is defined in its own architecture for data recovery and uptimes. What are the future trends we tend to incorporate in Medibird is that we tend to partnership with national providers and government offices for major healthline services. And we also try to incorporate Ethereums for scaling and more advanced AI analytics tools for early detection of the diseases. So thank you. And to conclude, Medibird is not just a tool. It's a new health infrastructure built on trust, transparency, and tech. Thank you. Feel free to scan the QR for a live demo.
Thank you very much, Ashwak, for presenting Medibird. I'm going to remove you from stage now. Please put links in chat, everyone, if you are pitching today and you have a QR code at the end. For those who'd like to see your demo further or test out the live app, links in chat are the most useful way of doing that. Jade Lawrence, thank you for joining us. Are you ready to present for PokerStamp?
Yeah. I'll share my screen now.
Yes, please.
So you guys can see it now?
Yes.
So, hi guys, my name is Jay Lawrence. I'm the builder of PolkaStamp. Recruiters waste hours verifying resumes and counterfeit certificates erode trust. PolkaStamp vision is to provide tamper-proof, instantly verifiable credentials on the Polkadot ecosystem. As for the tech stack, I use Polkadot Relay Chain, Inc. version 6 smart contracts on Polka VM, Apelon storage to provide permanent IPFS links, Next.js plus Tailwind UI for the front end, and Polkadot API Lite client. And as for the local development and testing, I use Inc. Node. So why PolkaStamp stands out? PolkaStamp uses proof of skill NFTs plus deterministic decentralized IDs or DIDs. Gasless user experience via the platform signer so that the issuer don't need to pay for the gas fees whenever they approve the submitted credentials by the candidates, and fully decentralized storage and compute. That is thanks to the Apelon AI assisted talent matching, and the project is also open source and modular. So for the end-to-end flow, watch this video. You should hear an audio for this
Inc.
one.
node boots the chain. In Rust Rover, I deploy all three Inc. version 6 contracts with cargo run, dash release, dash bin, instantiate contracts. I copy the contract addresses from deployment logs straight into .env, then pnpm build and pnpm start launches the Next.js UI. Files go to Apollon IPFS, hashes go to Inc NFTs through the Polkadot API, Step 1, identity. I click create DID, approve the wallet pop-up, and get a deterministic DID Polkadot 0x on chain. Step 2, credentials. Drag a PDF. Apilin pins it. Toast shows an IPFS // link. My profile now lists that file and my DID. Issuer view. Open requests, click approve, and anchor, sign, and explorer. Shows the credential minted event with the same CID. A recruiter searches Dave, open the card, and instantly see verified credential NFTs, IPFS links, and AI fit score. Admin tweak pricing live. I set base plan to 29 dot, save, go to pricing page, pricing grid updates instantly. And that's just a slice of what Polkastamp can do. There are many more features we didn't even touch. Clone the GitHub repo, spin up your own local node, and test it yourself.
So, so to clone the GitHub repository, you could just go to this link. That's it. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you very much, Jade Lawrence, for presenting. I'm going to send you backstage again now. And next up, we have Soft Law. So I'm going to invite Wario up to present for Soft Law. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us. Do you want to share your screen?
Yes, thank you for having me. Okay. Okay. Well, my name is Wario. Today I'm gonna showcase Sovlo, the product that we built for the Encode Hackathon. Sovlo is a copyright and licenses marketplace. Imagine that you are an artist in, I don't know, in another jurisdiction, Europe or America, and you want to explode your product in Asia, but you have to deal with different jurisdiction law, different regulations, and that's very complex if you want to scale it globally. So at the end, you don't have the ability to monetize your product in the real life. So that's why we create Sovlo, legal data protection application to protect your copyrights. First, you have the decentralized register contract when you wrap your NFT and you protect the copyrights. Also, we have a licensing system when you can license your copyright for different purpose like streaming. The main contract that we built for this hackathon is the governance system. This governance system, I'm sorry, this governance system, as I say, manage all the other contracts, first the wrapping, the memberships, the treasury, and the helper. No? We built this with Solidity smart contracts. These Solidities were deployed in Western Asset Hub, the testnet, the new testnet of Polkadot. The use case that you can do with this application is photography, memes, 3D designs, different kind of copyrights and intellectual property protections and licensing tools. Our main competitor is Story Protocol. Just the main difference between soft law and Story is that we are very focused on the compliance of the rights. So, for example, a copyright NFT is not just a proof of stamp. A copyright, the copyright rights, you have like the moral owner, the economic owner. Also, you have like the broadcast rights, the translate rights. There are like different rights. So we are coding all the different rights of the copyright and intellectual property. So we are a more modular uh, solution. Thank you very much. If you want to try, you can go to softlaw.com. Thanks.
Thank you very much, Wario. I'm gonna, nearly kicked myself off stage there. I'm gonna move you backstage, and next up we have the Orbit Yield team. So Andrea, I'm gonna invite you up to the stage. Rahul, I'm not sure what your question means. Can you clarify? Also, in the crowd, I'm looking for the Poof team. So if there's someone from the Poof team here, can you please flag in chat, because I can't find you currently. Everyone else, I think I can see you, so we're all good. Andrea should be joining me.
Okay, am I audible? And
Yes, you're audible. We can see you.
okay. So imagine this. You're a DeFi investor juggling multiple blockchain, hopping from platform to platform, manually tracking yields and moving funds, all while risking missed opportunities and costly errors. So what if this process could be fully automated and optimized? Yield farming today is fragmented across many blockchain, forcing users to manually track, bridge, and optimize investments. This results in inefficiencies, high costs, and even increased exposure to security risks. Manual yield farming demands constant portfolio adjustment, while complex cross-chain interactions make asset movement inefficient. Suboptimal allocation leads to poor returns, centralized strategies, introduce trust risk, and lack of unified DeFi hub forces users to juggle scattered tools across ecosystem. Orbit Yield use smart contracts leveraging XCMP to automate cross-chain asset routing. Our unified contract interface orchestrates multi-protocol yield strategies, while WASM contracts enable secure on-chain rebalancing, and XCM asset transfer from seamless and trustless, delivering optimized DeFi return safely. Introducing Orbit Yield, a cross-chain DeFi platform engineered to optimize yield farming across multiple blockchain. It features automated fund rebalancing to maximize returns, AI-powered risk assessment for secure, data-driven investing, and non-custodial architecture powered by smart contracts to ensure full user control. 70% of DeFi users farming yields on multiple chains struggle to manage assets inefficiently due to fragmentation. Our target market includes millions of investors globally with unique partnerships enabling rapid onboarding and SaaS monetization. We are Orbit Yield, unlocking ultimate cross-chain yield power. Join us to revolutionize yield management, making multi-chain farming effortless, efficient, and secure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for presenting Orbit Yield. I'm going to send you backstage. And next up, we have the Whistle team. So Kevin, you join me again. I'm going to send you backstage again. So Kevin, you should be getting an invite to join me up now. And we're over halfway through the pitches. I can't believe it. Time really does fly. Whistle team, welcome.
Hello? Yeah. Let me share
Hello?
the screen.
Yeah, we can hear you. Yeah, please do.
Yes. Hello, guys. Hope you're all doing well. My name is Kevin, representing Team Whistle. I'm joined here by my teammates Joshan and Rahul. Let's get right into our presentation. Our problem statement deals with the financial world of students. Students often encounter unexpected costs such as exam fees, project materials, and lab charges, which can hinder their academic journey. Traditional aid is slow, cumbersome, and overlooks small but vital expenses, leaving students stranded. In a case study that we did, we found out that in 2024, over 12% of university students worldwide reported missing or delaying exams just because they couldn't cover small fee amounts. Hence, we came up with a solution that tackles all these problems. Introducing Whistle. Whistle is a decentralized microfinance platform that empowers individuals within trusted communities, such as colleges or universities, to request, lend, and stake on microloans using blockchain-based trust and identity. Now, let me introduce the three key roles in our app. Seekers are individuals seeking short-term microloans within their verified communities. Second are the lenders, who are individuals or institutions providing capital for the said approved loan requests. The third key role are the stakers, who are trusted community members who vouch for each other by borrowing or staking tokens. Now let me show the app's mechanism with an example of a transaction. Let's say a requester needs $50. They should submit a loan request. The request is first sent to the Community Decentralized Authoritative Organization, DAO for short, for review and approval. Once approved by the DAO, the request becomes visible for staking. And in this case, 3 community members have seen this approved request and have decided to stake their tokens, showing trust in the requester. A lender sees the request and sees that it has enough backing and agrees to fund the $50. In the end, when the borrower repays the amount, they do so with the specified amount of interest. And the interest in the end is split in the ratio 2:1 between the lenders and the stakers. The app charges a small nominal fee on the lender's earnings. All involved parties in the transaction earn community tokens to boost their reputation. We have pinpointed 3 main market demands that align with our app whistle. Students need funds fast. Students are a demographic in constant need of small short-term funds to manage their academic and personal expenses. There's a high rising demand for no collateral. Banks require collateral, which many students lack, making loans difficult or impossible for them to access. Existing options are either risky or overpriced. Current borrowing options for students are often costly or come up with high risks, limiting their accessibility and reliability. Hence, we can surely say that as of now, no platform leverages campus community trust with decentralized finance until now, all thanks to Whistle. Our target audiences are college students, peer stakers, alumni, faculty, or student organizations offering funds or support. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Whistle team. I'm going to send you backstage. Next up, we have Web3 Lancer. So Nathaniel, you're getting an invite to join the stream. I can see you're getting ready. Another call for the Poof team, just because I still cannot see you in the room. So please, if you're here, put a message in chat so I can find you when it's your turn to come up. I can see the Nemo team and the Polkadot team here. So Nathaniel, welcome.
Thank you. So I'll share my screen now.
Yes, please.
Yeah, so good day, everyone.
Nathaniel, I think you've frozen for me. If others in chat could confirm. Yeah. Nathaniel, are you able to hear us? We'll see when Nathaniel joins our stream again, and hopefully in a second. Otherwise, likely we'll be moving forward to the Nemo team. So Omkar, if you get ready to join in a second once. I don't want to obviously get you on and Nathaniel is still talking. Nathaniel, if you can confirm if you can hear me in chat. Oh, yeah, Nathaniel has been kicked out for a second. So we'll move forward to the Nemo team and we'll come back to him in a second. So Omkar, I hope you're ready. I'm inviting you up. So far, so smooth. So not the end of the world. We will get to hear from Nathaniel. Omkar, welcome.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, so hello everyone. This is our project Nemo. So in Web3 gaming today, most of the games struggle with either shallow smart contract integration or a clunky user experience. So players rarely have true ownership of the in-game game assets, and even a fewer can meaningfully modify it. So to solve this problem, we came up with our project Nemo.
So Nemo is not just a project, it is a 3D open world sandbox game built on the top of the blockchain. So here user can create a multiple lands by using different building blocks that you can see in the video. The user can build house, farm, whatever they want by using their own creativity. So here those lands are virtual in nature, are saved on blockchain in the form of dynamic NFT, so that user can update their land whenever they want. Our game has also an in-game apart from building blocks, our game also has in-game marketplace where user can directly buy some of the game items and can directly use those items in their lands to make it more beautiful and more engaging. In the video you can see there are plants and flowers. You can just buy it and directly use it to make it more beautiful. It's really fun in building those lands. Another feature in our game is that transferable land ownership feature. So here the user can easily transfer their land to a different game user, but just by using their EVM addresses. So reason behind giving this feature was to make our game temporarily sustainable, as the user can get incentivized by selling this land by listing it on a different NFT marketplaces. So talking about the game architecture, so here we have deployed two contracts. One is world contract, which is an ERC 115 contracts that enables a scalable item creation and trading. Second is game item contract. It's an ERC 721 contracts. Both contracts are deployed on Polka EVM. Both contracts are deployed on Polka EVM on Western Asset Hub chain. So here for different we have also used Apilon services to manage the option metadata by bridging the gap between the blockchain security and the game performance. Apilon Web3 storage is very easy to use and seamless and fast. Apart from that, the whole app is deployed using the Apilon Web3 web hosting services. It is just by uploading the builder file, you will get the domain link. So this was all about our game architecture. What's next for the Nemo? So here in the phase one, we will be building the core game features like adding multiplayer features and adding the voice chat functionalities. In the phase two, we'll be expanding the game ecosystem with AI features like enabling NPC controlled AI agents and a better wallet integration to give a seamless user experience. In the phase three, we will be making our game totally cross-chain enabled so that anyone can play this game through any chain. We'll be also building OpenSea like marketplace so that user can first literally view different lands before buying it to make it more sustainable. This was all about our game. In short, Nemo empowers players to own, build, and reshape their 3D lands on chain. So this was all about Nemo. I hope you like it. For more info, you can scan the given QR code on the screen for demo video and can also try this game. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Omkar. I'm going to remove you now and we're going to try again with Nathaniel. So I'm inviting you up to participate again, Nathaniel. Maybe try and keep your video off. So potentially the bandwidth might be slightly better for your screen share. You should be getting ready to join me. Hello again.
Okay, yeah, can you hear me?
Yes,
So,
we can hear you. Your audio is great.
Okay, so I'll share my screen now. So can you see my screen?
Yes,
So
we can.
Sorry for the break in transmission earlier. So I will be presenting Web3lancer. Web3lancer is a global freelancing platform, and we are trying to solve three key problems in the freelancing space. If anyone has ever tried to work as a freelancer, as a global freelancer, you'll understand there are a lot of hiccups, there are a lot of problems that freelancers faced, challenges in the traditional platforms like high fees, slow payment. I was once a freelancer on Upwork and Fiverr, and we usually pay a lot of high fees during after getting these gigs. And also, as a global freelancer, we have this global global payment issues. due to lack of solid solutions and the lack of transparency in the procedures of the platform. So which leads to most freelancers getting exploited. We have a lot of examples of people doing a job and then they don't get paid for it because the system is rigged and is not transparent enough. So these are the kind of problems we're trying to solve with Web Freelancer. So which is why Web Freelancer, we are coming into the freelancing space, and we are taking the foundations and we are combining that with blockchain technology, which is why we are building on Polkadot. So we are offering a decentralized marketplace for everyone to find jobs, get gigs, and do that in a very transparent manner so that it's kind of free, fair, and open to all with minimal fees and instant payments to everybody involved in the platform. So, and also our key metrics, which these are just a few of our key metrics. We aside from this, we also have approximately 1,000 active members, freelancers, which includes most of them includes people that we gain from friends, WhatsApp groups, Telegram communities, and all the rest. So which is it's kind of it demonstrates that we have a very big potential to grow in the next 1-2 years. Looking at the trend of AI technology and with how freelancing is becoming more mainstream in the global workforce. So our competitor analysis, we are looking at three very strong competitors right now. We have Upwork, we have Fiverr, we have Freelancer, but all these are all they are all but two platforms which lack that decentralization, they lack the speed, they lack the freedom and transparency that we are offering on Web Freelancer. So which is offered by our blockchain technology and foundations. And in addition, we have our go-to-market strategy. We are trying to go to the market with by partnering with Web3 companies. We're trying to run marketing campaigns, build a very strong foundation and community on which to leverage for the future. So, and also our roadmap, we've launched the products and we are expanding currently. We are trying to work with partnership with Web3 Web3 platforms, and also we are building a community. So finally, our team consists of a CTO and co-founder and many other freelancers which are also working in the background for the smooth running of the platform. So I hope I've been able to convince you guys to see a lot of potential in this platform, and hopefully we can revolutionize freelancing and the global workforce. Thank you.
I'm on mute, sorry there. Thank you very much, Nathaniel, for presenting for Web3 Lancer. Next up, we have Polkalend. So David, I am inviting you up to stage. You should be getting the invite now. Please let me know if you don't see it. One final call as well for the Poof team. If you are here, please put a message in chat because I still can't find you in the audience. We have a very busy audience today. Okay, David doesn't see the invite. I'm going to cancel and resend David. If not, can you refresh your browser and join us again? Oh, Sasha is here from the Poof team. Amazing. Yeah, please refresh your browser. If I see you again, I'll invite you up straight away. Otherwise, we'll go forward to the Poof team and back again to the Polkalend team. I'm seeing... I don't see... don't see David back again. Okay, so we're going to move forward to the Poof team. So Sasha, I hope you're ready. You should be getting an invite. Can you tell me if you see it on your side? Okay, David is back. Sasha, do you see the invite? Otherwise, I will... Oh, yes, you do. You're getting ready. Okay, amazing. David, we've moved forward one and we'll come back to you for Polkalend last, but definitely not least. Sasha, thank you for joining us.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, can hear you.
Okay, cool. Let me just get started. All right, share my screen. Window. Okay. Oh, I don't need to see that. Okay, are we ready? Let's go.
Oh, I think, wait, I think your screen just unshared itself. Do you want to reshare that?
I'm sorry, guys.
Don't worry, all of the delays give our judging team extra time to deliberate, so no complaints from their side. Okay, we can see your screen again. Looking good.
Okay, cool. So imagine if it was so easy for anyone to deploy a ZK application. Well, what I decided to do to solve this kind of issue is build Poof, where you could do that, and Poof, you just got your first ZK app ready to go with users that can start engaging with it. The problem is that it's complex to build. It's time consuming. Setting up the ZK proving systems is pretty difficult. And deploying the verifier contracts is actually pretty challenging, with a lot of the issues being contract size and things like this. So there exist frameworks to do this in the EV world, but they're all very kind of customized to writing circuits in DSLs that are yet another additional framework for developers to learn. And the truth is, it's just not simple for developers to onboard to. With the upcoming upgrades of the Polkadot Hub, it will be possible to deploy verifier contracts that run directly on the PVM, and they can be written in Rust or Solidity. And so I thought that it's a great opportunity to start building the framework to do that. The solution is Poof. It's the first framework that allows someone to generate a ZK proof and deploy the contract that associates to verification of it, and also then submit proofs to it. How it works: you got a simple trusted setup using the Artquarks library, and you can generate the proofs and proving keys, deploy the contract directly, and test it locally on your machine. The way that I did is actually I built the proving system all in Rust, and then the verifier contract is actually called to from a Solidity contract. So I'm kind of trying to play with this architecture of DApp developers thinking of how they might be using Solidity for the business logic of their applications, and the sort of foundational heavy lifting stuff as the Rust contract stuff. So you can think of some simple games. These are the ones that I wanted to start with. Let's just go with word of mouth invitations, where I'm an event company and I want to deploy a verifier that says, if the person knows the magic word to my event, like a speakeasy, well, they can show up by receiving the special NFT if they submit the correct proof. So yes, it's Polkadot native. It's developer friendly, and there's plans to build this out such that anyone can write their own circuits. You can actually also then extend it to use other ZK libraries. And then I would like to actually build an entire peer-to-peer network system that can make the trusted setup better. So the demo is super simple, whereby you can just use cargo run and then deploy the contract with the deploy script that I put together. So I'm out of time, but that's it. And if you want to learn more about it, it's Sasha-Poof. And if any questions, let me know. You can reach out to me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sasha. I'm going to send you backstage, and we're going to try again now for Pokerlend. Who I don't see anything anymore. Oh, here you are. So let me know if, yep, you're getting ready. Amazing. So this is our last pitch of the day. So I hope you're all jaws on the ground, thoroughly inspired by what we've seen so far. We've got one more to go, and then after a quick intermission for judging and confirmation of our winners, we're going to move on to announcing them all. So I hope we'll get some hype in chat for that. David, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, let me show my screen. So everyone, this is Pokerlend. It's an interest-free P2P lending protocol. So what is an overview? We are basically inspired by Liquidity, and our goal is to provide a stable and decentralized way for users to borrow funds without the burden of interest rates. And we're using what they call a collateralized debt position model. So what are the problem statement? Like, normal lending involve high interest rates, adding significant financial strain on borrowers. So our protocol aims to provide better alternative by offering interest-free loan while maintaining protocol stability using the collateralized mechanism. So how it works, we can talk about here. So how it works, we actually offer interest-free loans. The loans are offered on interest, and we rely on collateral to secure the loan value. We use collateralized debt position. Users lock the collateral to take out loan, and the collateral value must exceed the loan amount by determined ratio. Liquidation mechanism. So if the collateral drop below a required threshold, this is liquidated to repay the loan. And then we have a stability pool, a reserve pool that absorbs liquidated collateral to ensure the protocol stability. So how do we use it? The borrower basically deposit collateral, stablecoin to secure the loan. Then it specifies the amount he wants to borrow. He borrows the funds at no interest, ensuring that the collateral remains above the required ratio. Then it repays the loan when it's ready to unlock his collateral. For lenders, the lender basically provides collateral to the stability pool, earn reward through liquidation fee and other incentive, and help maintain protocol stability by absorbing collateral when borrowers fail to maintain collateral ratio. What are our future improvements? We're going to include a dial for governance, where users vote on collateral changes, interest-free loan modification, where we may have multiple collateral type or a dynamic collateral ratio. Collateralized token, we can add more tokens to our stability pool. So these are our front end. The user connect, and then a borrower basically create a loan. A lender basically create a loan, the duration, and enter the amount. And a borrower need to accept the loan. So for him to accept the loan, he has to lock collateral. When he lock collateral, he goes to accept, and he accept the loan, and then he enter the amount he want to borrow, and the collateral value will show. If he does not have any collateral, he cannot accept the loan. And then when he's done, he can decide to pay back the loan. Thank you.
Thank you very much, David, for presenting PokerLend. That is the end of our pitches for today. So a massive congratulations to everyone who made it as a top 10 finalist. We're all super, super impressed, I'm sure, by the quality of projects in the whole of the hackathon, but especially from our top 10 teams. So massive thank you for coming and presenting today, and I wish you the best of luck in the final judging, which is now ongoing. So my job now is to stall ever so slightly as we confirm our winners for the Polkadot main tracks. So whilst we're waiting, and I get our confirmation that we're good to go. Thank you very much, everyone who joined the Polkadot Scalability Hackathon. I hope that you really enjoyed your time building, even those who didn't make it to the top 10. The judges were super impressed with what they were seeing throughout all the submissions, not just the ones who made it to the finale. I know we also had some partner tracks and we'll be announcing the winners for those as well today. Especially exciting that so many of you participated in the Solidity challenges with Open Guild, and I know that all of you eagle-eyed participants might have seen that they did already announce their winners and then take them down. So some of you might already know that you're en route to winning a prize today. But for those of you who missed it, we will be announcing again today, of course. I'm waiting for final confirmations now. Hopefully, those of you who didn't make it as finalists this time, don't lose faith. Next time, it could be you in the finalist seat. I think we're getting confirmed, which is great. It could be you in the finalist seat, and you should definitely keep building. There's loads going on in the Code Club ecosystem. We have loads of hackathons coming up, as well as other educational programs that can help you learn and build practically. So we have boot camps, we have Educate series, and we also have accelerators following on from hackathons, which there will be one for the Polkadot ecosystem coming up. So especially those who win today, that is definitely something to consider if you want to carry on building. So I think we have confirmation that we have our winners confirmed, which is amazing. Thank you very much to our judging team behind the scenes. I'm going to make sure that our slides are up to date. And then we get to do the fun part, and that is announcing our winners. So I think everything is looking all good. Can we, before I move on to the first winner slide, can we get some hype in chat? Pretty please. We will be, of course, taking a group picture at the end where I'll get to see all your smiling faces. But for now, especially if you're finalists, I'd love to know how you're feeling. Get a GIF in chat, please. And I'm super excited to announce our winners today. So we're going to start with the Open Guild Open Solidity Challenge winners. As I say, those of you who were eagerly following Open Guild would have already seen that they announced those winners, but we have 11 winners listed here. Whether they completed 1, 2, or 3 challenges is in the brackets there. So you will be contacted by the Open Guild team. Congratulations on winning in the completing the Open Solidity challenges. A massive well done. Next up, we're going to announce the main track winners. So we're going to start with the Pappy Daps category. So we have 2 winners here, and this category goes to Polka Stamp and Polka Lend. So massive congratulations to both of you. You are splitting the prize pool between 2. So congratulations. Super exciting to see your names up here. Next up, we have the ZK Runtime Development track. And the winner of that, we have 1 winner, and that is the Poof team. So congratulations, Poof. This was one of the last presentations that we saw, so massive congratulations. And moving on to the smart contracts on Polkadot track, we actually have 4 winners with the prize pool split evenly between all of them. So I want you all in your individual spaces to be drum rolling now, please, if you are a finalist, as we announce that these 4 teams are our smart contracts on Polkadot winners, splitting the prize pool among them equally. So we have the Poof team, the Polka Stamp team, the Orbit Yield team, and the Polka Lend team. So massive congratulations for winning in the smart contracts on Polkadot track. That is all of our winners. Other bounties had no declared winners, so please discuss with the teams separately if you'd like to get feedback on those bounties. I have to note that all prizes are tentative and subject to due diligence. Please be patient as you await the payout because this process can take some time. But in the meantime, congratulations to all our winners, congratulations to all our finalists, and also congratulations to anyone who participated, whether this was your first ever hackathon or this was your 20th. It's really exciting to see that you're continuously building and learning and developing your skills. And eventually, I hope I will be seeing your name on one of these slides announcing you as a big winner. Now, what I would like to do is to have all my finalists back on stage for one big group photo. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make my screen really big here so I can fit you all in, and I'm going to start inviting people to the stage. If I miss you in a second, if I still haven't invited you up, please flag to me in chat because I'm doing this based on my own memory of your names. If you haven't got your project name next to your name, make sure to flag me if I miss you. Answer, Kevin from Whistle, Polkadot team. I'm gonna as we get everyone on stage. Okay, I think I've invited all our finalists up, but if I have missed you, please put a message in chat so I can invite you up. What I'm going to do... who are we waiting for? I think we have, do we have everyone? I don't see any messages in chat. Joshan, if you're able to put your camera on, that would be great so that we can have all our finalists up with cameras. But if not, congratulations everyone, big smiles, and cheers if you won. Thank you for joining us. And I hope to see all of you, as well as those of you in the audience, again very soon in another hackathon or bootcamp or educate series. Please stay active in the community. We love to see what you guys are up to, and make sure to follow us so that you're keeping up to date with all the stuff that's happening in the Encoder ecosystem. For now, though, that is the end of today's event. Congratulations, everyone, once again, and have a good rest of your day. I hope I'll be seeing you all very, very soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.